Hello, hello. This is Mrs. Grigorovich. This video is going over assessments on the MCIS webpage. So once you're all logged in, you're going to want to hover over assessments. And today for this video, we are going to go over the career cluster inventory. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. So once you've opened that up, it's going to pull up this instructions page. So essentially, the responses are just things that you like, things that you kind of like, and then things that you're not sure and things that you don't like. So what's going to happen is you're going to get a bunch of these activities, and you're just going to click and choose what you like and don't like. I'm going to do a little jump forward. So when you're all done taking the survey, this is what you're going to see, and you're going to go ahead and hit results. And then it's going to kick out the career clusters that you would be similar to. So this survey is different from the interest inventory because it goes by topic, right? It goes by career clusters, so things that you'd fit into. Whereas the interest profiler goes off of activities that you like to do. So if you watch the other video showed that my answers lead me to go towards social careers, whereas this one actually puts me at agriculture, food, and natural resources as the careers I'd be most interested in. So the difference between the two is one survey kind of made it seem like I'm into human services, like working with people, but this one, that's actually towards the middle. So that's just something to keep in mind. The differences between the two surveys is this one puts it into the clusters, and then when you click on that, it's going to kick out information around that cluster. And then you would have to go through the clusters index to look at specific pathways. So this way, I know that agriculture, food, and natural resources is big for me, so these would be the careers I would look through. And then I could also click into the arts and audio visual and then clusters index to see which pathways there I would be interested in. So one thing to keep in mind is just that the assessments are different. So it does have to do with, do you want to pick a career based on the things that you are interested in doing and your personality type, or do you want to just go off based off subject matter or the groupings? So yeah, that's pretty much it. When you click on these, in case you're watching this video first instead of the one about the interest inventory, the way to look at specific jobs would be to click on the pathway, and then here you can see what type of schooling you'd need to go through this, what other jobs, what specific jobs fall under this pathway. So the pathway is the big thing, right? So art directors, but there are different types of art directors. You can be an art director for a movie, but you could also be an art director for a museum. So here it talks about the job outlook. So this one's kind of in the middle. And then it also talks about how much these people make here in Minnesota. So we kind of make high if you're an art director. You make 6 figures, it looks like. And it looks like in Minnesota, this industry makes more than the rest of the country. So this is kind of a cool one. And then it talks about what are places that you would work and what will your work be like. So again, the specific pathways would be the same regardless of the assessment that you choose to use. It's just the interest profiler puts it in terms of your personality type, and the career cluster inventory puts it in terms of the topics that you're most aligned with. So yeah, so that's how you use these assessments.